Looking for the best protection for your new iPhone 15 Pro Max? With its sleek design and powerful features, your device deserves a case that not only safeguards it from everyday wear and tear but also complements its cutting-edge aesthetics. In this guide, we'll explore the top iPhone 15 Pro Max cases that combine durability, style, and functionality. Whether you're seeking rugged protection for adventurous activities or a minimalist design to enhance the phone's elegance, we've got you covered. Discover the perfect case to keep your iPhone 15 Pro Max safe and stylish. Number 1. Alphex. The Alphex case features an industry-leading N52SH magnet, which is notably 300% stronger than the standard MagSafe magnets. This powerful magnetic force not only ensures that your case aligns perfectly with MagSafe accessories, but also facilitates faster wireless charging speeds of up to 40 W. Remarkably, this is achieved with virtually no power loss, which means it helps in preserving your iPhone's battery health and extending its lifespan. This is a significant advantage for users who rely heavily on wireless charging. Military-grade protection is where the Alphex case truly shines. It's been rigorously tested with over 2,000 drop tests from 10 feet, and it boasts 0% damage, a testament to its robust design. The case features a tough, blast-proof hard back panel and a flexible TPU bumper with a 4-ply cushioning structure. Adding to its protective capabilities are 360-degree shock-absorbing airbags that effectively disperse impact forces. This means that accidental drops and bumps are less likely to damage your iPhone, potentially saving you from costly repair bills. Enhanced screen and camera protection for those concerned about daily wear and tear, the Alphex case doesn't disappoint. It includes a 2.5mm raised camera lip and a 1.2mm raised screen lip, complemented by built-in camera airbags. Number 2. SUPCASE. The SUPCASE Unicorn Beetle Mag XT is a robust option for protecting your iPhone 15 Pro Max, offering a blend of functionality and durability that can appeal to users seeking comprehensive device security. Here's a detailed look at the features that make this case stand out. Multifunction camera cover. One of the most innovative features of the Unicorn Beetle Mag XT is its built-in camera cover. This dual-purpose design not only shields your iPhone's camera lens from scratches and potential damage, but also functions as a kickstand. This handy kickstand feature is particularly useful for hands-free video watching, making it a versatile addition to your device's protection. Elevated bezels. The case includes elevated bezels that provide added protection for both the touchscreen and camera lens. When the iPhone is placed face down, these raised edges help to prevent scratches and scuffs, maintaining the pristine condition of your screen and lens. This design consideration is crucial for ensuring long-term usability and preserving the device's appearance. 20-foot drop-tested durability is a key strength of the SUPCASE Unicorn Beetle Mag XT. Number 3. Alphex. The Alphex titanium case for iPhone 15 Pro Max is a standout option for those seeking a blend of elegance, durability, and functionality. Here's an in-depth look at what this case has to offer. Invisible magnetic stand. One of the most innovative features of the Alphex titanium case is its discreet yet powerful magnetic ring. This ingenious design allows the case to transform into a sturdy phone stand, ideal for hands-free activities. Whether you're on a video call, catching up on your favorite shows, or following recipes while cooking, the built-in stand offers a practical and versatile solution. Its seamless integration means the stand is there when you need it but remains invisible when not in use, preserving the case's sleek appearance. Official Color Match. Alphex has carefully designed this case to complement the aesthetic of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Utilizing advanced vacuum plating technology, the case features a color that perfectly matches the original iPhone shades. The metallic glossy texture not only aligns with your phone's design but also enhances its overall beauty. Number 4. ESR case. The ESR case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max is designed with a focus on magnetic functionality, durability, and versatile usability. Here's a detailed review of its features and performance. Stronger magnetic lock. One of the standout features of this ESR case is its powerful magnetic lock. With a built-in magnet offering 1,500 grams of holding force, this case ensures a strong and reliable connection with MagSafe accessories. This powerful magnetic lock not only facilitates faster and easier wireless charging but also secures any MagSafe accessory firmly in place. Whether you're using a MagSafe charger or another accessory, you can count on a stable connection and efficient performance. Adjustable stash stand. The ESR case includes an innovative adjustable stash stand that is cleverly integrated around the camera frame. When not in use, the stand remains hidden, preserving the sleek look of your phone. However, when you need it, it easily unfolds to provide a stable and adjustable viewing angle. His feature is perfect for watching shows or video calls, offering flexibility and convenience while ensuring that the MagSafe ring remains unobstructed for seamless connectivity. Number 5. TORRAS Magnetic Case. The TORRAS magnetic case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max combines innovative design, robust protection, and premium materials to offer a standout solution for iPhone protection. Here's a comprehensive look at what makes this case a notable option. Ever healthy, efficient, powerful magnet. TORRAS has engineered this case with a meticulous focus on magnetic performance. The case features 38 pieces of N52 magnets that are carefully aligned with the iPhone 15 Pro Max's magnetometer, magnet array, and charging coil. This precise alignment ensures optimal efficiency, allowing for fast charging speeds and secure connections with MagSafe accessories like wallets, chargers, and car mounts. Importantly, this advanced magnetic design does not interfere with your phone's longevity or cause any damage, making it a reliable choice for those who frequently use magnetic accessories. Exclusively inside and outside double shields protection is a major highlight of the TORRAS magnetic case. On the outside, it maintains a 1.2 mm raised screen lip and 0.8 mm lifted camera bezels to guard against scratches and impacts. In conclusion, finding the best case for your iPhone 15 Pro Max involves balancing a range of factors to suit your individual needs and preferences. The iPhone 15 Pro Max, with its sleek design and advanced features, deserves protection that not only safeguards its hardware but also complements its aesthetic. If durability and protection are your primary concerns, opt for rugged cases designed to withstand drops, impacts, and everyday wear and tear. These cases often feature multiple layers of shock-absorbing materials and reinforced edges, offering peace of mind for those with an active lifestyle or who are prone to accidental drops. Brands specializing in military-grade protection or heavy-duty cases are excellent choices for ensuring your device remains intact under various conditions. On the other hand, if style and elegance are more important to you, there are a variety of slim and sophisticated cases that enhance the iPhone 15 Pro Max's sleek profile. These cases often come in premium materials like genuine leather or high-quality synthetic fabrics, providing a touch of luxury without adding significant bulk.